happens is that once I get them used to all of this, they come and present themselves to me. Then they present themselves instead of me having to catch them with or aggressively. This shows like whatever is a normal behavior of birds. So it is a trained behavior. I did it for one. Now everybody will present themselves. Me walking around in an aviary doesn't give me a complete idea of whether the bird is okay or not. When they come up close, I'll be able to see if they have a sternal bone, if they have a sharper sternal bone, if there is muscle loss, if their vent is clean, if their eyes are clean, is there any nasal discharge or whatever. These are called eclectus. So in eclectus, the male is green and the female is red. See, this is a nest that these birds make by foraging the twigs that are there outside. Birds like free flight. And the more you provide them with space to fly, the more happier they are. The correct food, enough food, if it is available, they are going to go into breeding. So what they will do is that they'll break branches, like what they do in the wild. They'll break branches and make little nests, and they have their babies in that. So a lot of times it saves us the space of making another nesting area, because these birds are prolific breeders. You don't need to do anything. So monks and cockatoos also, they breed on their own. There are different natural barks of the tree that they have carved out to make nests. Nigel is a black palm cockatoo. Basically, it's one of the largest Australian cockatoos. It can break palm nuts and large, coconuts with their beak if they're very, very strong. So they have this pink cheek on the side, and when they get excited or angry, then it blushes. Jack is the first Gala cockatoo baby. When we found him, his parents they sat on him and his legs were splayed. We bandaged his leg and we tried as much as we could do. So Jack is quite happy really being in this cage, and he likes to bite also. Basically, he bites because he doesn't have support with both legs. If he doesn't like being held in a certain way, he will show his displeasure by biting. All they need is love. They want to be held. If they don't have the same species with them, like conspecifics are not there, then they need humans who are their next best friends, because he has been raised by humans. So here he has a lot of things to do. So we fill this tray with water, and then he'll probably go and take a shower in that. Or right now it's the rainy season, but otherwise he gets toys. We just try to make him as happy as he can, and every day whenever people are feeding, he will go and interact with them. So he just wants to be loved.
I'm getting all these dirty noises, yes.